the health benefits of birch sap is incredible. Everybody's talking about, coconut water, but birch sap is actually, I would say, the coconut of water of the Nordic countries. So in this video today, I'm gonna explain how to tap birch sap and the benefits of it, and also how to take care of the tree after you tap your birch sap. So let's get to it. First of all, what is birch sap? Birch sap is the water that goes up from the trunk all the way up to the leaves, and in the winter time it's stored in there, so it gets full of nutrients and vitamins, and it's just jam-packed with all the good stuff. And something I love so much about this is that, all the stuff we lack in the wintertime or getting less of in wintertime is stored in this little bottle of nutrients and vitamins and just goodness. So all the things that we lose during wintertime, we can get through our birch sap. I always think that, we are nature, we come from nature, and nature delivers to us what we need, and what we need in springtime after a dark, long winter, especially here in Denmark. So find your tree and you then drill a little hole in it, and we used a glass straw. You can also use a metal straw or something like that, something that is like has a hard surface and it's easy to put in there. So you drill a hole into the trunk of the tree, like about, I would say, 5 centimeters or so, and then you put your straw in there and a container to put underneath here. And then it's just that dripping away. So if you're not able to drill a hole or whatever, if you don't have the tools for that, you can also take a branch and just cut it off and put a bottle on there or something like that. That's the easy way as well, even if you're traveling or something like that. If you're out about in the nature and on a tent adventure, you can do that. And then it starts dripping and you get the goodness out of here. And I absolutely just love it. I drink it every day. I drink it instead of water because it just gives me all the good benefits, especially C vitamin. It gives us a lot of C vitamin. Yeah, so in winter time, our bodies uses up all the nutrients and vitamins we've been storing up, in summer and autumn and spring. And then by the end of a long, dark winter, we start lacking those vitamins, and you can drink it through your birch sap. That's one thing. There's a lot of other stuff you can get your nutrients from nature in spring, because everything that grows in spring has such a lot of health benefits to rejuvenate your body after a long winter. Looks almost like water. It's a little bit more whitish, and the taste is also almost like water, but it has a little more sweet taste to it. It's actually just amazing to drink, and you can feel immediately when you drink it that your body is just like taking all the stuff in. So I will say it's a short amount of time. I would say you have like 1 month to tap all the juices out of the tree, and you're not hurting the tree, by the way, so you're not hurting it because at one point it will stop producing when it starts to need the water and all the nutrients for the leaves. It's just limitless because it keeps on sucking up the water from the ground, and you may have like 4 or 5 liters of it every day or something like that, but it doesn't hurt the tree. That's what I want to say with it. When you finish with it, or you will take a break and you don't have the time to always come and check on your bottle, you always have to heal the wound, or you have to put something in the wound, like a stick or something like that. So you just take a stick and put it in the wound so it doesn't keep on dripping if you're not using it. Let's talk about the health benefits. And I had to write this down because I think it's just absolutely amazing what health benefits this birch sap water actually has. It helps you with detoxing the body. So after all, the long winter months again, it's really nice for the body to clean out in spring and do some detox. And drinking this every day will help your body and your liver and your kidneys and everything to detox. It has a really healthy benefit also if you have some digestives if you bloating and all that stuff. Drinking this is really beneficial. This means also if you want this not only in springtime, you can actually freeze it, so you can have that in storage for later on. And it strengthens the immune system. It has anti-cancer properties. It also has benefits for weight loss, reduces joint pain, and it also helps to cleanse the kidney and the liver. It's excellent for skin health care because it helps, the C vitamin in the birch sap helps your body create more collagen, which we know helps both the skin and the hair to grow thicker, and you get a more tight, beautiful looking skin for springtime. In 1 liter of birch sap, you will find 150 milligrams of calcium, potassium, and magnesium. There's also copper in there, zinc, sodium, C vitamins, and it just goes on. Overall, birch sap just have so many health benefits, and it is delicious and so easy to harvest. And I will highly suggest you going out there if you have your kids or family. It's a fun way to actually connect with nature. And yeah, so I hope this video can benefit you, and let me know in the comments below if you like the taste of birch sap. I absolutely do. Like I said, I drink like between 1 to 3 liters a day of this. I go out every time this is full to fill up my water bottle. And I just wish you a beautiful day, everybody, and see you in the next video. Please hit the like and subscribe button, and see you next time here out in nature, maybe.